The uniqueness of the Wimbledon clinic, we feel, is in the multidiscipline approach to a patient when they come to see us. My first training is in traditional Chinese medicine. I went to Germany and studied electroacupuncture according to Wahl. Later on in Germany, I studied a particular system of chiropractic, which was meridian balancing by chiropractic technique.
When I first came to Tom, I was suffering from an extremely painful back problem.
I was told that I am a hepatitis B carrier. So every 6 months I have to have my blood test and see how badly the virus is.
My daughter became unwell through a virus. It affected her whole central nervous system.
After surgery, my whole body was in acute pain. My knee was swollen up to be double the size of what it should normally be.
When we first visited the clinic, my son was all over the place. He had so much energy, up and down, up and down.
The full health screen involves a consultation, the prognosis measurements of the meridian system, the decoder dermograph, body scan, the brain frequency analysis, chiropractic assessment if indicated, and blood tests also if indicated.
He listened to you, he went through your whole history.
Tom put together a series of treatment which involved herbal medicine, a chiropractor and ozone.
We use homeopathy, mostly complex homeopathy, and herbal medicine and nutritional medicine.
Since I start having herbs treatments from Dr. Tom, that really made me sleep so well.
He never ever said that nothing could be done.
It was all very relaxing, pain-free as well.
We constantly use new techniques, new avenues, new testing, and in that way it keeps us on our feet and we can give a much better service to our patients.
The staff here are very friendly and they're very helpful, and I just feel so relaxed coming here.
I've had treatment for morning sickness with acupuncture.
The concept of acupuncture is perhaps one of the longest standing systems of medicine in the world. We tend to have the whole family come to see us.
A few months ago, my young daughter, she went up a few stairs and she had a little tumble down the stairs. My wife had to put my daughter on her stomach and Tom did a procedure and there was a slight click, and then the next day she was walking around and not limping anymore.
The age range of our patients goes from 6 weeks up to 103 years old.
She was become more alert, she was able to do normal things like a teenager would do.
Now he's very much more calm, his concentration levels have improved significantly, and he's a happier child.
Everything is to do with trying to create a balance for the patient.
Over a period of few months, my life came back to normal again.
I've recommended the clinic to a lot of friends and family.
One of the great satisfactions I get is doing an analysis of a patient, seeing the imbalances and watching them improve.
If I didn't trust them, I wouldn't have my new grandson coming here.
I love the Wimbledon clinic.